What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Just got back from New York, off vacation for the weekend, so I didn't upload any new videos. But today I came back and of course, I got something to deal with. I got another flat tire. So I didn't really make a video about putting my wheels on the car. I figured I'd just post it on Instagram, you guys can check that out. But I did put the wheels back on. It looks great. This side is perfectly fine. The front, I got new tires on them, as you can see. Fresh meat for the front. I was running a 40 series tire before, so it looked really fat. Now I'm running a 35 series tire and it looks perfect. Probably want to go lower, but I can't go lower because it's actually rubbing pretty bad, like right in here. So I mean, it's fine. I kind of like the one finger gap anyway, but there we go. That's 9.5, 10.5, 22. But I'm running a 245/35 in the front, and I'm currently with a 255/35 in the rear. So the rear tires, I'm actually using the same tires that I had before. I didn't change those yet, only because there was still some meat left in there. So right now I gotta take the wheels off, and I actually have to put on my stock wheels for the time being. I still have 275 tires I'm going to be putting on the rears, which are right here. They should look a lot better than the 255s. Only thing is I have to put a camber kit on. That's the reason why you see these right here. These are the SPC camber kits for the IS or 2IS. I believe they do work with regular 250s and 350s. That's what the guy told me, my buddy over at Velocity Shop. But pretty much here they are. It's pretty much like a camber arm. So you just bolt them on, adjust the camber here, and then tighten them up. So they look pretty good. I needed to get some anyway, so I'm glad I did. That's why I'm able to buy 275s to fit that. Because if you see right here, the 255s are poking pretty bad with a 10.5 22. So 275 is just gonna make it a little bit more square, almost close to how these look in the front. Maybe a little bit more, so I figured the camber kit would do well. But in the meantime, I gotta get rid of these tires. So stock wheels, I brought them to work today, and I actually put the 285s on them, and now I'm gonna take these off, take these to work sometime this week, maybe tomorrow, and I actually mount these onto those, and then we'll make a video on installing the camber kit if any of you guys are interested in that, and then we could dial it in, and then I'll of course need an alignment. But once I get that done, this car is gonna look amazing. Fitment's gonna be amazing. I only wish I could lower the front some more just to clean up that wheel gap, but I can't because I can't deal with the rubbing, and it's rubbing just a little bit right now, which I'm okay with. Anyway, I talk too much, so let's go ahead and get these wheels off and put the stock wheels back on. Alright, so before I start, I just want to show you guys what 285/35 look like on the 08 wheels. Mind you, 2000 and I want to say 11 and up, or 2012 and up, those wheels are like half an inch wider in the rear, so it might look a little different, but these look like freaking square as hell. Holy shit. Looks really, really good. I mean, I could probably drop these tires on the faces and it probably won't even touch, so that's pretty crazy. Here's what it looks like underneath, also square. So I'm running Michelins. If you run different brands, they're probably not gonna be as square. I just know Michelins are a lot beefier. I'm afraid they're not gonna fit, I'll be honest with you right now. Alright guys, I just put the wheels on and they are massive, and I mean, I'm really afraid it's gonna rub when it dips really hard in the back. It's just really close, cutting it close. It doesn't seem to be hitting anything in the back suspension wise, but I'm more concerned of the wheel arch now, so or in case the fender liner. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It looks crazy beefy, but hey, some people like it like this. I don't know, I gotta drive around and see how I like it, so let's check it out. Look at all that meat. So these are Michelin Pilot Sports 285/35 on a 19 by 9 inch rim. This is what you will get. Very square, Very beefy tires. As you can see. Looks really good on there actually. I think if I did a 30 series, it would be way nicer, but I did get these for free, so can't go wrong. Pretty close clearance over there. It's good here, but back here is what I'm more concerned about. That's cutting it pretty close. So, oh well, just temporarily until I put tires on the Volks. But it looks good. I have to admit, super wide. Still tucking. Super poke, super skinny. I don't know if you guys can catch on the camera, but passenger side is lifted up slightly more than the driver's side because of the size of these tires. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the jack onto the other side and swap the tires out because I gotta change the tires on that one too, unfortunately. Hopefully everything goes well by the next video. Gonna put the camber kit in, gonna adjust the camber, and then put the wheels on and make sure it fits. I definitely want to fit these wheels. I definitely want to make it look sick. Let's go over there, get this done, and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Alright guys, it just started to rain a little bit, but just rolling back and forth in the driveway like that, there seems to be no rubbing at all. So it works. I would recommend doing a 30 series. The 35 is a little heavy on the 285, and also it kind of is beefier, so the rotational mass of the rim is going to be affected pretty substantially in my opinion. I know that certain people who go wider like to go skinnier on a tire, just to increase the performance of the car and not take it away. I read up where if you do, someone did like a 295/30 or something like that, and it ends up being, he ended up running like the same time, if not less, on the quarter mile, something like that. And I thought that was crazy. I just, if you think about it, ideally, yeah, if you go wider, you want to go a little skinnier. Just because you're getting more contact pack, but you don't need that big cushion. So in any case, if I went skinnier like a 255, of course a 35 series would have been great, but going wider like a 285, a 30 series would have been perfect. Of course, I'm not really smart into the whole entire wheel and tire thing. Over time I realized that it's probably better to go skinnier as you go wider. But right now I gotta organize some stuff. Definitely gotta put my stock, those two bottom ones are my stock wheels. I gotta put them back over there in the storage section. Put the Volks in the corner and stack the stock ones, or stack the new tires on top, and clean up a little bit. The garage is still a mess after the weekend that I did on wrapping my friend's car. You can see I still got vinyl wrap on the freaking refrigerator. I actually like that color a lot. I would like to wrap my car in that color. I just don't know if I want to yet, but I'm gonna make some more videos up on vinyl wrapping. I'm gonna be wrapping some parts on the car, on my car, just to show you guys who want to learn how to wrap. Some of you guys don't give a damn, but I figured vinyl wrapping is something to learn if you're into cars. Same thing goes with everything else I do, like the whole tire situation, the tire talk, wheel talk. I find it to be very helpful. Even though it's not like we're sitting in a whole room talking about it, it's still something to discuss. And you guys are more welcome to leave a comment about it, how you feel, and if I'm wrong, please correct me. It's just based off what I am imagining or thinking could be the problem. When thinking about tire sizes and whatnot. But anyway, it's starting to pour, as you can see, back in Florida. I don't miss it. I do miss New York City. That's where I was. You can check my Instagram, Kantstandlam. That's it. I usually leave the links. I leave links in my description all the time if you guys even check it out. But check it out. My Instagram is there if you want to check it out. I post pictures of my cars there once in a while, and everything else I do in my private life, if you care. And there's a Kantstandlam garage page. Till the next video, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is going to be a temporary thing with the stock wheels in the back until I figure out the situation with these wheels on the Volk Racing wheels. And also, we're going to be putting on the camera kit, like I said, which is over there, the SPC. Stay tuned, more videos to come, and see you later.